Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nilufar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. So, dear students, today I discuss with you a new chapter, chapter 12, climate change. So, dear students, please take your science book and open your book, page number 81. So, dear students, all of you ready to read? Okay. Climate change. Climate is the average weather pattern for a long period of time. Therefore, the actual weather condition varies within the normal range to extreme condition for a particular region. These changes of weather is measured as temperature, rainfall and frequency of events such as cyclone, nor'wester or Kalboishaki, and so on. This variability is a natural phenomenon. On the other hand, a significant and persistent change in the climate and its variability is called climate change. The climate of an area does not change suddenly. However, we feel that climate is changing now. Let's check it. So, dear students, do you know what is climate change? Climate change is a significant and persistent change in the climate and its variability is called climate change. I repeat it again. A significant and persistent change in the climate and its variability is called climate change. Dear students, the Earth is surrounded by atmosphere. Temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind and humidity of the atmosphere of an area for a limited time is called weather. Overall weather of an area for many years is called climate. Weather and climate influence our life in various ways. In normal weather and climate, we lead normal life. Due to increase of temperature of the atmosphere, climate of the earth is changing. Bangladesh is harmed due to climatic changes. By this time, you have already known that climate is the overall or average weather condition of an area for many years. Climate of Bangladesh is hot and humid. You know, in Bangladesh, average weather is hot, but cold condition is less prevalent. Winter is short. Usually in the month of Posh and March, cold is felt. After that, weather becomes less cold and gradually becomes hot. In Boishak and Jeshto, it is a bit hotter. We name these 2 months as summer. Every year in Boishak, a type of strong cold nor'wester comes. From the very beginning of Ashar, raining starts, so the rainy season also starts. In the months of Shravan and Bhadra, air is very hot and raining continues. Then again weather starts, coming cold and winter comes back in the month of Posh. This is the normal scenario of climate in Bangladesh. The same climatic conditions existed during the time when your parents were children. The same condition of the overall weather or the climate stayed for last 20 or 30 years. Dear students, climate of any area does not change within a short time. But the scientists predicted through experiment that the average temperature of the earth is increasing gradually. This increase of temperature of the earth is called global warming. Snow of the mountain peak and polar regions are melting due to rise of temperature of the earth. Sea water is rising due to increased temperature. As a result, sea level is also rising. If temperature increases in this way, the water level of the sea will go higher and higher. As its consequence, low-lying areas of the world, including Bangladesh, will be inundated. Besides, this rise in temperature will cause drought, excessive raining, and much more natural calamities. Dear students, in your textbook, page number 81, you can see our activity. So before I am going to the activity, now I discuss with you global warming. Using temperature measurement all over the world, we can compute the average global temperature. So dear students, you can see our activity, change in average global temperature. Look at the graph of the average global temperature and write the average temperature of different years in your exercise book. Share your idea with your parents or brother or sisters. So dear students, please do it at your home. Okay. According to the graph, average global temperature fluctuates every year. However, scientists have found that the average global temperature is increasing gradually. This gradual increase of the Earth's temperature is called global warming. Global warming can lead to other changes in climate conditions, such as changes in rainfall patterns. The climate of our Earth is changing gradually due to this global warming. The annual mean temperature in Dhaka is gradually increasing as shown below. Due to the increase of the temperature, a lot of changes occur in the natural environment. So dear students, you can see our graph in your textbook page number 82. There is a graph, change in annual mean temperature in Dhaka. So you can see annual mean temperature. So before I am going to the describing graphs, so do you know what is global warming? The average global temperature is increasing gradually. This gradual increase of the Earth's temperature is called global warming. I repeat it again. The average global temperature is increasing gradually. This gradual increase of the Earth's temperature is called global warming. So dear students, you can see a graph in your textbook, change in annual mean temperature in Dhaka. You can see some of years 1995, 1997, 1999, 2001, 2003, 2005, 2007, 2009 and 2011 or 2000 annual mean temperature zero temperature 24.5, 25.0, 25.5, 26.0, 26.5, 27.0, 27.5, 28.0. So dear students, based on your experience and what you have learned in this lesson, discuss the following questions in your class. So dear students, do you think the climate is changing? Why do you think that? Why? Please state your opinion with evidence. And if you think that climate is changing, is that good or bad for us? So dear students, now I discuss with you causes of global warming. The main cause of global warming is the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. We have learned from this chapter that carbon dioxide and oxygen come back in a cyclic order. So the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen is maintained. After industrial revolution in Europe, different countries, especially industrially advanced countries, started burning coal, petroleum and natural gas. Carbon dioxide produced from burning of these waste is not spent or absorbed. Rather, the number of plants is decreasing for various reasons due to increased population. As a result, the amount of carbon dioxide has increased in the atmosphere. So dear students, no more today. In the next class, I discuss with you greenhouse effect. And I also discuss with you activity greenhouse effect and greenhouse gases, human activities and the global warming, observational facts of the global warming, and climate change mitigation and climate change adaptation. So dear students, please note down today's homework, page 81 to 82. So dear students, if you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you. Bye.